Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look, Intuit Dome construction update. At the heart of the Intuit Dome lies its double-sided halo scoreboard, a colossal structure spanning 38,375 square feet, 5 times the size of the largest NBA scoreboard. With an inner display standing at 32 feet high and an outer display at 28 feet high and boasting a 4K resolution, this scoreboard, with over 233 million LEDs, is like having 3,600 TVs in one. Whether you're courtside or in the nosebleeds, this technological marvel ensures you won't miss a beat from the LA Clippers arsenal, redefining game time for Clippers fans at their new home. The arena, designed by AECOM as designing Intuit Dome, rises approximately 150 feet in height and features an elliptical footprint. When we last checked in over the summer, the metal grid that will support the building's basketball net-inspired canopy was complete. Now, metal panels are being hoisted into place, and the arena's logo adorns its rooftop. The $1.2 billion project, which will be home to the Los Angeles Clippers starting in the 2024-2025 NBA season, has now been under construction for 2 years at the intersection of Century Boulevard and Prairie Avenue. While the main attraction is the 18,000-seat arena, that is part of a larger mixed-use project slated to feature